Want to know exactly where your website ranks on Google and how to outrank your competitors? In this video, I'll show you how to use ranktracker, one of the most powerful tools inside SEO PowerSuite. Whether you're tracking 10 keywords or 10,000, this desktop tool gives you unlimited tracking power, no recurring fees, and pro-level insights. Ranktracker is an all-in-one keyword and ranking monitoring tool. You can track keyword positions across Google, Bing, Yahoo, and even local map results. Discover profitable keywords. Analyze SERP features and competition. Generate white label reports for clients or teams. And the best part? No limits on keywords or websites. Perfect for SEOs, agencies, and marketers on a budget. Let's set up your first project. Open ranktracker. Enter your website URL. Click Finish. Select your preferred search engines, Google, Google Maps, Bing, etc. Click Add Keywords. Add your target keywords manually. Hit Next and Finish to let ranktracker do its thing. Within minutes, you'll see your current rankings and where you stand against competitors. Need more keywords? Click on the Keyword Research module. This is where ranktracker shines. Google Autocomplete, which gives you real, user-driven keyword suggestions based on trending and long-tail search terms, great for SEO content ideas. Keyword Planner, which you get accurate monthly search volumes, estimated costs per click, and keyword competition, perfect for picking high traffic and low competition terms. Competitor Keywords helps you discover profitable and proven keywords by reverse engineering your competitors' SEO strategies, so you can close keyword gaps. You'll also get search volume, competition, difficulty score, keyword effectiveness index, K, helping you prioritize high-value keywords with low competition. Here's where the magic happens. Check your rankings over time with daily or weekly updates. Visualize progress with dynamic graphs. Filter by keyword groups, search engines, or ranking positions. Spot SERP features like featured snippets, image packs, site links, and more. See if you're ranking in Google Local Pack. This gives you a complete view of your SEO performance. Want to spy on competitors? Just enter their domain in the Competitor Rank Tracking tab. You'll instantly see how their keywords perform compared to yours. Perfect for identifying gaps and opportunities. Use this data to build a smarter content and backlink strategy. Once you've tracked your results, it's time to share them. Generate white label PDF reports at the Reports section. Automatically email updates to clients by using scheduled tasks and alerts. You can fully customize them with your branding, a great feature for agencies and freelancers. Unlike cloud-based tools that limit your data and charge you per keyword, ranktracker gives you unlimited keywords, unlimited websites, local plus global tracking, one-time license fee, data you fully control. It's powerful, accurate, and ridiculously affordable. So that's how to use ranktracker in SEO PowerSuite, your ultimate keyword and ranking tool. Want to try it out? Start your free trial or upgrade to a paid plan today or later to enjoy the discount by clicking the URL link in the description of this video. If you like our video, do subscribe, click like, share as the motivation for us to produce more videos.